So here is a paramecium bursarius. Here you can see it, I believe, with the 40 times objective. What you see there, all of those little dots, those are individual cells of green algae. It's a symbiotic relationship. That algae lives inside of it and gives it sugars in response for a safe environment. And what you see circling around it is cyanurids. I think they're from the species Psynura uvula. But here you can just see a bunch of those cyanurids. And now you're moving around and you can see a few more ciliates moving around. I believe it's a bunch of paramecia. And here is a bunch of rotifers. You can see quite a few of them and a lot of synura spinning around them. This was the same type that was in my slow motion test video. But here you can see them in normal resolution. And there's a lot of them here. Moving out, you can just see the larger picture. And here there's a Gastric Rich moving by. It's from the order Cyanurid. Looking around, you can see that Gastric Rich again. And here is a Stentor. I believe it's Stentor Igneous because of that purple pigment around its cilia. See that purple pigment? That's how I know it's Stentor Igneous. They're known for having that purple pigment around them. And here you can see it in a weird dark field which did not come out right. Soon I'll switch back to bright field. And here you can see it very overexposed, and here it is normally. And you can see a Cyanurid got stuck in its vortex. It's right now in its sessile state. And it's sucking in a lot of Psynura. And it just contracted because I believe I bumped the slide when I was recording this. You can see it slowly expanding, putting its cilia out. It did not go into its mobile state though. It's still sessile. Here's the Psynura again. And here is a vorticella. So this is a type of ciliate where when it's young it is mobile, but when it's older it becomes sessile. And it will attach to something for the rest of its life. And then it feeds kind of like a stentor, just waiting for its cilia to bring something in by creating a vortex into that cell organelle. Here's the paramecium bursarius again, and a little rotifer. As you can see, the paramecium bursarius is actually a pretty large ciliate. And here is a facus. I believe it's Facus longicadia. That would be the species of facus. I may check the species because it may not be Facus longicadia. And there's also a ciliate moving by right there. It looks somewhat brown. It's very fast. It has cilia in an asymmetrical orientation, and there's also a little eugleniid down below. Now here is that Stentor Igneous again in dark field, where you can see that pigment a lot better, and you can see those cilia moving. And there's a lot of cyanurids around it, which look kind of nice in this dark field. And here's a picture of it. These are stills I took. There it is, contracting and contracting some more under dark field. That is the top of it. Then it's sucking in. And here's paramecium bursarius, and there's another paramecium bursarius. So bye.